Hey, you guys, what's going on? It's your boy Mike Peele. This is the breakdown. Now, if you're wondering how did I get here and what video is this for, go to the description box right now. The video, the workout that goes to this breakdown is right there. You guys ready? Here we go. And I'm not going to, well, here we go. I'm going to do this for y'all. I'm flipping the camera right now. There. It's now flipped. Wherever I start, you start. I start on my right, you start on your right. We should be cool. So here we go. First step, first 8 count. Here we go. Fellas, we got Morgan and we got Richard. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Kick out with the right. 1, hit 2, 3, hit 4. Step out with the right. 5, come back in. 6, come back out. 7, 8. Richard, what the hell was this? I saw it. Now, make sure it's a ball chain. Ba, ba, hit. Ba, ba, hit. Step out. Right. Come back in. Here. Boom. Yeah? Here we go. 2 times. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Step 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Moving on. Next 8 count. Now you're gonna swing around, swing them hips. Step out with the right. Your left hand needs to come up. Your right hand needs to follow your swivel in your hips. Here you go. 5, 6, 7, step out with the right. 1, 2, hit it again. 3, 4. Lean back on the left with your left shoulder so your right shoulder comes up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that groove is just back, hit. My hands are kind of like this, left over right, and you're just gonna go boom, 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 ha. Here we go. From the swing of the hips. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, up, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now remember, my fellas learned this as I was teaching it on camera when we did the workout, okay? So they're getting the workout too. They're getting the, okay, cleaning it up, yeah? 5, 6 from the top. Let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Step 5, 6, 7, swing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, moving on. From here, you're gonna pick up, brush. Right hand brushes the left shoulder, left hand brushes the right shoulder, yeah? So you're gonna pick up, up, up. Now, stepping back with the right, draw back with the right arm, and come back in and then back out. Your right foot should go like this, in, out, that whole motion. So when you go hit, 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 bop, 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 here, you're gonna pick up, boom, boom, pop, yeah? 5, 6 from here, 7, and pick up, goom, goom, ga, yeah? Here we go, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, hit 3 and 4. From here, right foot, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, yeah? Here we go. Here, right foot, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, yeah? Again, here, 4, right, left, up on the toes for both feet, and right, left, right. Yeah? Here we go, from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, swing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. Pick it up, 1 and 2, up, 3, hit 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Moving on. 7 and 8. Right leg. So right comes out. Right, right, left. Left, right, right, left. Now once you get into the music, you can keep doing the whole body roll thing, okay? So from right here, 7, 8, right foot, right, right, left. Now I say right, right, left because my right foot comes out and then it also lands. Right, right, left. Go out to the left with the left. Boom. Hop. Boom. Now, I know people are going to ask me, how is your body which way? I'm going left. Ooh, I can't even do it like that. going around, and everybody in this room is laughing at me. Here, and then boom. So just be free with that. I'll give you that option. Just be free with that, yeah? So from here, 7 and right hit here. Left, high, right here. Finishing it out. Right, left, right. That's it, yeah? Again, 7 and right, left, right. 5, 6, last time, 7 and right, left, right. All right, so we're gonna go from the top, and we're only gonna do it maybe twice, but we're gonna see how good you are. Here we go, from the top, fellas. 5, 6, 7, tempo. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, step. 5, 6, 7, swing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 5, 6, 7, 8, pick it up. 1 and 2, up. 3, hit 4, hit 5 and 7 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ha. Richard, let me see the fellas, and I want to see you at home. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, good. 3 and 4, see it. 5, 6, keep going. And back and up and back. Nice. Da, boom, ha, and run, high, run, hit, circle that body, high, hit, ha. Did you get it? Fellas, y'all got it, right? Okay, we can say, That was the breakdown, you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Now go back and do the video to this workout. You ready? Go right now. We see you guys on the next video. Peace out.